Alright, today we're installing the Acerbis side covers for the Tenere 700. Let's open up the box here, see what we got. First we got the water pump cover and the ignition cover. The directions are definitely not that great, but we'll zoom in and show you what's going on here. I use a little contact cleaner, clean off everything right now, make sure everything's nice and clean enough anyway. I felt like these directions were a little hard to understand, but basically you take the washer and you put it on the inside of the cover, not on the outside, and then you use a bolt to kind of pull that through so that way they stick inside of the side cover. 1, 2, 3. Alright, next we're going to jack the bike up so it's level, and that way no oil will leak out of the side covers when we remove the bolts from this side here, down the bottom, and the third one right there. All these bolts are 5mm hex. Alright, we're going to hand tighten all these first, and then come back with the torque wrench. And all these bolts seem to be 12 Newton meter on the manual. I gotta say, I love the fit. The holes line up well, and there's a bit of space in there for some deflection. I'm gonna get rid of this SW Motec water pump guard. It's a sturdy piece, but I think it's gonna put more stress on the mounting points and possibly crack the casing on a side impact. I'd much rather deflect that with the Acerbis side cover. It's good to keep track of the bolts on this side because they're all different lengths. So I just kept it in the same orientation on the ground there. Next, just torque them all down to 12 Newton meters and you're good to go. So we'll see how these side covers hold up. I think they're going to do a great job of deflecting that forward side impact instead of absorbing it with big clunky metal. All done now. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that jazz.